Hello, writers. You ready to learn a secret to make your sentences amazing? We're going to learn how to take a plain sentence and make it pop with excitement.
So check this out. The car is on the street. Kind of boring, right?
Now, what about this one? The fast blue car is loud on the street. Whoa! So, what's the secret? It's your 5 super senses. That's it. Okay, first up is seeing. Use your eyes to tell us what something looks like. Next up, your ears. What can you hear? Is it loud or maybe buzzing?
All right, now use your nose. What do you smell? Is it sweet or fresh?
And don't forget about feeling. How does something feel? Is it warm or soft?
And last but not least, taste. Is it sour or maybe tangy? Yummy! Okay, let's try it out. We're going to take a plain idea and make it pow. See that? Every sense adds another detail. You're painting a picture with words.
All right, it's your turn to be the writer. You've got the superpower now.
Let's practice. Just think about a night market. Imagine all the cool details.
What would you see? What do you hear? What does it smell like there? So there you have it. Using your senses makes your writing totally come alive.
So what are you ready to describe? Look around, pick something, and go for it.